So, after we've collected the seeds, it's time to plant them. Their journey to treehood begins when the seeds are planted in flat trays. They grow in these flats for one season before graduating into tube trays. They grow into these larger trays for 2 to 3 more years until they've grown about 6 inches in height. These are the sorts of saplings you'll see the tree planters in the north working with. They'll plant thousands of these per day, regenerating the landscape after a logging operation. It would be wonderful if we could employ the same technique here at Presqu'ile, but the abundance of deer prevents that. This little guy is just the perfect winter salad for a hungry deer, and one chomp, and his life is ended. We must continue to nurture these saplings for another 5 years at least, or until they've grown at least 5 feet tall, which is the maximum height to which a deer will browse. To do so, the trees are planted into beds, long rectangular patches of soil that are dedicated to growing trees. They can either be bucket beds or in-ground beds, and there are benefits and drawbacks to each method. Trees grown in buckets can be easily transported, and when planted, there is minimal disturbance to the root system. However, they grow very slowly. Trees grown on the ground grow much quicker, but when the time comes for planting, they must be dug out for transportation, severing roots and shocking the tree in the process. In addition, some species, particularly hardwoods like maple and oak, favor growing in the ground. They cannot bear having their roots restrained by the bucket for too long. In fact, park-grown oaks spend no time in the nursery whatsoever. Red oak are unique in that they spend the first several years of their life developing a complex root system with really no emphasis on above-ground growth. It can take decades for a red oak to grow even 1 foot above ground. It could be fatal to disrupt that effort with a shovel. Oaks are planted in the spot that they're going to live at forever. But of course, that means protection, because everybody loves an acorn. Deer love snacking on them, and rabbits like chewing on their gnarly twigs once they've sprouted. So, they're planted straight into the ground, and then a bottomless ice cream pail is put around them, almost like a wall. This prevents mice and vole from coming across them when they're foraging, especially in the winter. In addition, an orange screen is put around on top, and later on, when the oaks have grown above this screen, a proper full-size cage will be put around the bucket.